DJM TV.
Meet the people of the Vanuatu tribes who are preparing for the mourning and the passage rites ceremony of their god, Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh. Hey fam, welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when this video got to you. Trust you're doing okay. This is DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news happening in Nigeria and all around the world. If you're new here, a very big welcome to you. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's take you straight into the news. There is a tribe in a remote Pacific nation called Vanuatu that regards the late Prince Philip as a god whom they have built a temple to and they worship periodically. As a result of his passing, the mourning rites and passage ceremony rites for their deity, whom they believe to be Prince Charles, has started with wailings and ceremonial dancing. Now, these people of the Vanuatu tribes, they have a legend that says that there was once the son of a deity who traveled overseas and promised that he was going to get married to a powerful and rich white woman and would return to the village to protect the citizens from the influence of the Western countries. Following the visit of Queen Elizabeth and Prince Philip in 1974 to the New Hebrides before it was renamed Vanuatu, where the prince now handed over a white pig to a member of the Tana community during an event, the people now believed that the ancient prophecy has indeed come to pass. The people of Yahonane and Yakel formed a strong link with Prince Philip following his presentation of the white pig. And as would be expected of any fulfilled prophecy, they wanted Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, to live in their village. But when he didn't do this, they gathered followers who worship him in a temple that they built to honor him. Now, following the announcement of the passage of Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, the people of Yaonane and Yakao had sent a message to the Queen, offering her their sincere condolences. They're saying, although they're not happy that he passed on, but they were also happy that now his spirit could return back to the community. Now, they also hold a belief that with the passage of Prince Philip, aged 99, his son, Prince Charles, would be a successor in the temple that they had built for him. But they have also come out to say, of course, it is optional for Prince Charles to accept this revealed position. But if Prince Charles refuses to hold the title and to maintain the connection, then the spirit of Prince Philip would go into one of his other adult children or a grandchild, and in the future, they could continue this spiritual connection. Now, as a proof that they hold Prince Philip sacred, they have started their mourning rites and passage rites ceremony. As Britain mourns Prince Philip, the two villages on the Vanuatu island of Tana has also begun their mourning process. Now, this process goes as follows. They're going to hold a dance in honor of Prince Philip and to hold a display of pictures of Prince Philip, while the men of the community will drink a ceremonial drink made from the roots of the kava plant. The drink is called kava because it's made from the kava plant. And also, they will gather together as a final act of the morning, and they would, prepare numerous number of pigs, which they will use as part of the ceremonial event. This is what they call display of their wealth. They will buy as many pigs as possible, use this in the preparation of the meal that will be eaten during the final day of the ceremony. Already, the people of the Vanuatu tribes have begun gathering under giant banyan trees, and they started talking about Prince Philip and how the spirit will be safely guarded into the community, and how possible it is for Prince Charles to take over from him. During his lifetime, several tribesmen from the community in the year 2007 met with Prince Philip to discuss about how he was a fulfillment of a prophecy that was given to their community years ago. And it appeared that the prince accepted their worship, and he sent plenty of letters and photos of himself to the tribesmen, who in return sent traditional gifts over the years to him. And one of these gifts was the ceremonial club called the Nanau, which was given to him in the year 1978, when the villagers did a meeting to ask for more information about Prince Philip, trying to find out more things about him. These photos and other things which Prince Philip sent to them during his lifetime are being guarded by them jealously as treasures which should not fall into the wrong hands. The spokesman of the Prince Philip movement of the Vanuatu people, Mr. Hoffman, has said that the movement will likely keep the name Prince Philip movement even if Prince Charles decides to continue with the mission of his father. He has also said that they believe that although the body of Prince Philip lies in Winson's castle at the moment, but his spirit has crossed over the many waters of the Pacific Ocean to Tana, which is its spiritual home, to be with those who have loved and honored him for many years, for even though they did not see him on a regular basis. He has also said that they believed that Prince Philip would return to them either in person or in spiritual form, although they are not happy that he passed on, but that they think that his passage would finally trigger the event of Prince Philip joining them in the spiritual form. While awaiting the details of the burial of Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, the flag of the United Kingdom keeps flying at half-mast, as well as the Union Jack flag at the Vanuatu Island, where those people had worshipped Prince Philip for years as their deity. Once again, a very big condolence to Queen Elizabeth and the royal family of Britain. We're praying that the good Lord grants them the fortitude to bear the loss. Well, this is what will come to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. So what do you think about these people who worshipped Prince Philip as a deity in their land? Were they doing the right thing, or what's your opinion? Drop your opinion in the comment section. Do not forget to like and to share this video. Do not also forget to follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even on TikTok. Check out our website at www.djmtv.news. And do not forget that you can place your advert with us and be rest assured that your advert will get to the desired market. Well, until I come your way again with another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, I remain your girl and your sister, Lawuru Favor, signing out.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.